last day we had seen the accounting equation. So we know that accounting equation is equal to assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So capital is equal to, how to calculate capital from this equation, Aparna? Capital is equal to?
Sir, asset minus liability.
Very good. So how to calculate liability, Tomlin? How to calculate liability? From
Assets
this,
minus capital.
yes, assets minus capital. So we did some problems. So already I given two problems that we will do now. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, Shubham, mute your microphone.
Yes, sir.
So we'll start. Okay, sorry students, there was a power failure. Okay, so we will start the problem. So already I given the question. So look, started, so 5 transactions are there. Started business with cash, purchased goods on credit, purchased goods for cash, paid wages, withdrew for personal use. Okay, so we will do the problem. So column, you know that transaction, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Heading will be accounting equation. Accounting equation. Okay, first one question is started business with cash. Started business with cash. So you have to write along with me. So started business with cash. 5,000. 5,000. Started business with cash, 5,000. So Aman, so assets, what I have to write. So started business with cash. What is this? Shubham.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Started business with cash. So asset, what we will get?
Cash.
Cash. So 5,000 cash. Then what is this? Is equal to
This
capital.
liability is 0 and plus 5,000 capital.
5,000. Okay. 5,000. So 5,000 is equal to 5,000. Next step, next question, purchased goods on credit 400. So second you have to write purchased goods on credit. Purchased goods on credit. So amount is 400. Amount is 400. Purchased goods on credit. Femina, purchased goods on credit. Assets what?
Sir, goods.
Goods. Very good. So 400, that will be goods. Then credit, where it will come?
Liabilities.
Femina.
Liabilities.
Liabilities. Okay, is equal to 400, that will be creditor. So 400 is equal to 400. Okay, so next one, third, purchased goods for cash. So purchased goods for cash. So amount is 100. Amount is 100. So purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash. Anjo, purchased goods for cash. Assets, a cash, any change?
Minus cash.
Minus. So 100, that will be cash. purchased, so it is minus. Then what will get?
Plus goods.
Goods
100.
100. Okay, goods 100 is equal to 0 because we purchased goods for cash. Next, fourth one, paid wages. Paid wages. Paid wages. Paid wages 50. Aparna, paid wages. So already I said expense and income, it will affect only the cash and the capital. So paid wages.
Sir, asset is equal to minus 50.
Yes, minus 50. Minus 50, that is cash. Then
Capital is also equal to minus 50.
very good. Capital also 50. Okay, so minus 50 is equal to minus 50. Next, withdrew for personal use. Withdrew for personal means withdrew cash. So if it is goods, that they will mention that goods. Here means withdrew for personal use. Means amount withdrawn by the owner from the capital for the personal use. That is drawings. Anex, withdrew for personal use 70. Withdrew for personal use.
Minus 70.
Minus cash. Minus minus 70 cash, then
Minus 70 capital.
minus 70 capital. Very good. Capital no need right because already capital is there. Okay. So minus 70 is equal to minus 70. So over. Now, so after completing all the transaction, so you have to write accounting equation. Accounting equation. So here only I said, so only you take liability side 5,000 plus 400, 5,400 minus 2 item minus this 50 and 70. So 5,400 minus 120 is equal to 5,280 is equal to 5,080. Over. So after doing 3 problems, if you are not writing cash goods like that, no problem. So only amount you have to write. Okay. So for your understanding only I wrote cash goods credited capital. So after doing 2 problem, you can, if you are not writing also no problem. Okay. Only amount you have to write. Any doubt related with this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Hadi Aman, any doubts? Hadi? Okay, next question. Give accounting equation from the following transactions. So, total level transactions are there. Started business with cash that we will do. So, first one, so heading will be accounting equation. Accounting equation. First one, started business with cash. So anyway, they all will get started business with cash. So anyway, first everyone will get the first question. Started business with the cash. Irfan, amount is 50,000. So where it will come?
Capital.
Capital and assets what?
Assets and capital.
So your name? Irfan, 50,000 is equal to
Assets.
50,000. Okay, it is cash. If you are not writing, also no problem. It is capital. Cash is equal to capital. Clear? Suppose if you are not writing cash, that no problem. Only amount you have to write. So for your understanding only, I wrote a cash, this one. Okay. So second one, purchased goods for cash. So Irfan, you tell, purchased goods for cash. First you have to look in this transaction, what are the two items? 25,000. Irfan, tell. Purchased goods for cash. Irfan, Hadi Aman. Hadi,
Yes, sir.
tell. Purchased goods for cash.
Goods plus 25,000.
Yes, sir.
Assets.
Then cash
25,000
plus or minus cash
minus
minus. Okay, cash 25,000, goods 25,000.
5,000.
Very good. Okay, next third one. Purchased goods on credit. Purchased goods on credit. Purchased goods on credit. Purchased goods on credit 15,000. Tomlin, tell. Purchased goods on credit. Amount 15,000. 15. Tomlin.
Goods plus 15,000.
Correct. 15,000.
Liabilities. Creditor 15,000.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Goods. Creditor. Next, fourth one. Purchased furniture for cash. 4,000. Purchased furniture. Purchased furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. Karthik.
Sir,
4,000.
cash and furniture
Cash. Then
minus
then
furniture plus
yes,
furniture plus.
furniture. Very good. Okay. Cash minus furniture plus. Next, cash paid to creditors. Cash paid to creditors. Rupees 6,000. Cash
Minus
paid.
6,000 assets.
Shubham.
Minus 6,000.
So cash paid, so minus 6,000. That is
6,000.
cash. Then cash paid to creditor.
Creditor.
Creditor, what you have to do?
We have to minus
Yes,
6,000.
minus 6,000.
6,000.
Okay, so our liability decreased. Suppose cash received from debtor means cash plus debtor minus. Okay, but here cash paid to creditor means cash minus liability also will decrease. Creditor, we already purchased goods on credit, so our liability will decrease. Now it is 0. That no need to find. So next, sixth one, paid rent. Paid rent. Amount 1,400. Femina, paid rent 1,400. Paid rent. Paid rent. Hanna Salim, paid rent 1,400.
Cash minus.
Cash minus then
Capital minus.
minus capital. So next, seventh one, received commission. Received commission. Next, after paid rent, received commission amount, it is not given, that I will do. Received commission. Received commission amount is 2,000. Amount is 2,000. 2,000 amount. So received commission 2,000. Femina, now you can tell received commission 2,000. Cash 2,000. Then commission. Liability or capital? Which one? Expense and income will affect only cash and Femina? Capital. Okay, 2,000 is equal to 2,000. If paid means minus, income received means plus. Next one. Further capital introduced 10,000. Further capital introduced 10,000. Further capital introduced. Again, he invested capital. So already we know that. Aparna, what is a further capital introduced means? Started business with cash invested. Cash and
Capital.
yes, very good. 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Next, so it will be little tough. Not already we did. Sold goods costing rupees 7,000 on credit for rupees 8,500. Sold goods costing rupees 7,000 on credit for rupees 8,500. Means goods cost is 7,000. We sold for rupees 1,500. So in this case, first you have to look whether we any profit or loss. If any profit is there, you have to add with the capital. Okay, if any loss is there, you have to subtract from capital. Okay, sold goods costing rupees 7,000 on credit for rupees, on credit only, not cash, 8,500. Shubham, you tell. Sold goods costing rupees 7,000 on credit for rupees 8,500. So sold goods, it won't affect cash. Why? On credit. Shubham, sold goods on credit. That person, who is of that person? Goods sold, no cash. So Aparna, you tell. Sold goods,
Goods
goods plus or
minus
minus.
7,000. Minus 7,000.
Yes, very good. Minus 7,000, that is goods. Then
Then
on credit, that person is, who is that person?
creditor.
Creditor or debtor? Asset or liability? You sold goods or
Sir, asset.
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 So debtor. Amount
Plus 8,500.
8,500. Any profit?
Yes, sir.
Any profit is there in this transaction? 7,000 only cost. We sold for rupees 8,500.
Yes, sir. Profit is there.
What we had to do? Add with
You have to add with capital.
yes. So 1,500 is equal to 1,500. Suppose it is on cash, means debtor won't come. Instead here it will come cash. Okay. Instead of debtor, cash, you have to write 8,500. If it is for cash, any doubts? Any doubt? Sold goods. If sold goods for, if it is for cash, means cash minus goods plus cash minus goods. Here credit, so goods minus debtor plus. If there is any profit or loss, you have to adjust with the capital. Any doubts, Aparna?
No, sir. No.
Irfan? Hadi? So next, bank loan received. Bank loan received 8,000. Bank loan received. 10th one. Bank loan received. Bank loan received 8,000. Bank loan received 8,000. Atul, bank loan received.
Sir, cash 8,000.
Cash 8,000. Loan is asset or liability? If you took a loan from the bank,
Sir,
asset or liability?
Liability.
Liability. That is 8,000 loan. So 10 you have to write bank loan received 8,000, cash 8,000, loan. Okay. Next, one more transaction is there. Withdrew for personal use. Withdrew for personal use. Withdrew for personal use. These drawings, withdrew for personal use. Basil, withdrew for personal use.
Sir, cash minus 1,600.
Yes, cash minus. Then?
Capital.
Yes, very good. Minus
minus
1,000. Over. Then you have to write accounting equation. Accounting equation. So only you look the liability side, then it will be easy. So plus plus you have to add, then you have to minus minus items. So 50,000 plus 15,000, 65, then 1,500, 10,000, 2,000, 1,500. Loan is there 8,000, so 50, 65, 65 plus 2, 67, 77, 78, 500, 78, 500 plus 6,000. So 86,500 minus item 1,400, 1,600, so 3,000, 3,000, 6,000.
61,600.
70, no. Anyone got answer? Shubham, what you said answer?
61,600.
No. Any other answer?
77,500.
Yes, 77,500. That is the final answer. Don't need a problem is over. Okay, any doubt related with any transactions? Okay, started a business with the cash and further capital introduced, same cash and capital. Okay, if any expense, salary, interest, any expense, cash and capital minus. Then if any income, received interest, received commission, anything, cash plus capital plus. Then one thing you have to remember, if sold goods, costing, then on credit or for cash, for rupees, then you have to check whether any profit or loss. So if it is a profit, with the capital you have to add. With the loss, you have to minus from capital. Then goods and debtor, if it is on credit. If it is for cash, means cash plus minus goods. Okay. So any doubt related with the accounting equation or any theory? Okay. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Hadi? Tomlin?
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.